In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus, and today I would like to show you where you can change theme of this Samsung. First of all, go into Settings, then scroll down and click on Themes section. Now tap on Themes at the bottom left corner and click on the loop at the top right one. Over here you can type in wherever you wish to, for example, dark. Finally, click on the best theme for you, tap on download and log in to your Samsung account, then hit apply. If you wish to go back to your default themes, you need to enter Galaxy Themes main screen, tap on menu at the bottom right corner and click on My Stuff next to Wish List. Then click on your default theme and tap on Apply in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!